Kids, today we are going to put together an excavator. Let's start with a frame, then let's attach the driver's cab. This is the boom. Now we add the arm and the bucket. Counterweight, engine and the trucks. The excavator is ready. The excavator is a very important machine. It's used for digging trenches, holes and foundations. The large, powerful arm is operated by a hydraulic system to dig and transfer large amounts of dirt in the bucket. Now we'll transfer the fertiliser with the help of a dump truck. We'll add it to the soil to increase the fertility, which is very essential for the growth of plants. Some water and soon we'll see the result. Here is the result. Ripe, red, delicious apples. I can't wait to try them. What about you? Oh, wait a minute, we can't leave them here. Where are you, excavator? Dump truck? Help us to take the apples to the store. Look, there are other fruit and vegetables here too.